Is it the right time to buy or sell Sidus Space stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Sidus Space. We previously shared our initial report on our website, but now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Supercharge your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, on StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since December 21, 2023, our system has identified Sidus Space as a promising investment, rating it as a buy candidate with a score of 1.25. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 118.61% since we first recommended Sidus Space as a buy candidate just 6 days ago. This means an average daily return of 19.77% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a strong and wide rising trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 39.84% change expected over the next 3 months. However, it's important to note that the potential return can range between -93.49% and 83.38%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 0.203% change expected over the next year. The potential return within this period can range between -99.56% and 30.8%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $0.0390 to $11.52 after 1 year. The latest update for Sidus Space brings the headline, High Volatility in Sidus Space Stock Price on Friday, which ended trading at $8.81. On the last trading day, the Sidus Space stock price experienced a decrease of 23.39%, falling from $11.50 to $8.81 on Friday, December 29, 2023. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 26.11%, ranging from a low of $7.85 to a high of $9.90. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a significant gain of 15,356.14%. It's worth noting that the volume also declined on the last day, which is actually a positive sign as volume should follow the stock. The trading volume decreased by 17 million shares, with a total of 1 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $12.74 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $15.38, while the lowest price was $0.0335. Currently, the price stands at a 42.72% difference, or $6.57 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 70.34% lower, or $20.89 below the all-time high, which occurred on December 14, 2021, with a price of $29.70. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, September 7, 2022, Macquarie upgraded its grade for SIDU to neutral. On the same day, Oppenheimer initiated coverage on SIDU with an outperform grade. Analysts have given Sidus Space stock a general neutral rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong sell rating. Let's take a look at the signals identified for Sidus Space. The Sidus Space stock shows promising signs as it receives buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also suggests a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, the stock is likely to find support at the $5.70 and $1.19 price levels. However, if the stock price falls below these levels, it would issue sell signals. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal for Sidus Space. While some negative signals were also observed, they may have some influence on the near short-term development. On Thursday, December 28, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a significant 23.39% decrease in the stock price. It is expected that the stock will continue to decline until a new bottom pivot is identified. It is worth noting that the volume of trading decreased along with the stock price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk, as volume typically follows the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is showing a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal that occurred 2 days ago. Bollinger is suggesting a buy signal that occurred 108 days ago. The short-term moving average is also showing a buy signal that occurred 8 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal that occurred 8 days ago. When we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal that occurred 8 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart. Here, the short moving average is displaying a buy signal that occurred 8 days ago. The long-term moving average on the 12-month chart is also indicating a buy signal that occurred 8 days ago. Similarly, the relationship between the short and long moving averages on the 12-month chart suggests a buy signal that occurred 8 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Sidus Space. Today, Sidus Space is facing a challenging situation. There is no support from accumulated volume below the current level, which means the stock may not have a strong foundation to rely on. As a result, it is possible that the stock may perform poorly in the next couple of days. Additionally, this stock exhibits high volatility, meaning it can experience significant price swings throughout the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band suggests a wide prediction interval, indicating very high risk associated with this stock. Looking at its recent performance, the stock has shown a daily price range of $2.05 or 26.11% between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, it has had an average volatility of 62.43% per day. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Sidus Space, it's important to understand some fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is currently generating losses or experiencing financial difficulties. It's common for established companies to face temporary setbacks due to external factors. However, a consistently negative P/E ratio may suggest insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Sidus Space. When it comes to resistance from accumulated volume, there doesn't seem to be any significant barriers above. This means that the stock has the potential to move upward swiftly, given the right conditions. If you decide to enter a position, you can rely on volume indicators to help you determine the right time to exit. On the other hand, there's no significant support from accumulated volume below. This indicates that the stock could potentially experience a sharp drop under certain conditions. If you're considering placing bets, it's crucial to proceed with caution. This situation requires expertise and experience, so it's recommended for experienced traders who know how to navigate such scenarios. The average rating for Sidus Space from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On May 17, 2023, Craig Carroll Marlene bought 500,000 shares of Class A common stock as an insider. On April 5, 2023, Rira Leonardo also conducted an insider trade, buying 0 shares. Based on these 2 recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 69.731. In total, insiders have purchased 500,000 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 2 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.33 with a decrease of 5.4%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which comes with a higher level of risk. In fact, there is a recent sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Is Sidus Space stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe Sidus Space stock presents a potential buying opportunity in the short term. With several positive short-term signals and a positive overall trend, the current level of the stock indicates a fair chance for it to perform well. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate, indicating our increased confidence in its performance. When analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems have found that the current price of Sidus Space stock is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, January 2nd, we expect Sidus Space to open up at $8.85, showing a positive start with an increase of $0.0431. Before we begin, let's talk about an important disclaimer. Trading comes with inherent risks, including the potential loss of money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions when it comes to securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current view of this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so make sure to comment below and share your opinions. Plus, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Our goal is to help you succeed in your trading journey. Now, let's dive in and discover the potential target for this stock. Get ready for some insightful analysis. Wishing you all successful trading and a truly beautiful day from the entire StockInvest team.